I will give anything to go toe-to-toe with anybody. And I'm not backing down from nobody. When I talk about this game, man, my heart gets filled when I talk about this game because it's not a game to me. It's something deeper than a game to me.
I just want to show the world that I really do this. And I really make quality street music. You know what I'm talking about? And it ain't no mistake that I'm this good. I just done seen a lot, you know what I'm talking about? We gon' show the world the definition of real. My brother, you gotta feel this, little hustler. We gon' show the world the definition of real. Man, you gotta feel it, I got my own voice, sing my own hooks. Fresh fade, nice smile, got my own look. I just like to make people happy. 4 kids, I just like being a good dad. But I'm a gangsta and I rock show. A people person, so you know that Boosie guy. Dang, that's a figure of speech. Get a lot of like that when you listen to me. As for my fans, I love y'all, straight up. Y'all a part of me, so when they hate us. Money keep a going, the better thing. Man, I take it to the bank, I don't make it rain. But I'm fly like Weezy. Plus the hood, man, they believe me like Jeezy. And I just like to have a good time. Hit the yo, smoke one, and put my life in my rhyme. Check. We gon' show the world the definition of real. My brother, you gotta feel it. Little hustler. Boosie badass. We gon' show the world the definition of real. Man, you gotta feel it. Boosie badass. Father, forgive me, I was raised on some real shit. So I can't sugarcoat it, you're not a little bit. Inside I'm sad about my dad. Since I lost my grams, I ain't been given a but I still hold my head high. And sometimes I cry, but when I cry, man, I don't know why. I feel trapped to be a superstar. 100,000 worth of jewelry to end it, and I spin it, and no problem. You don't like badass, then that's your problem. MOB wouldn't give a Tyler. Love cars, love broads with a passion. I ain't never had shit, so I'm flashy. I work hard, go and get it on the road. 7 month run, 750 off for shows, get it? I'm hood rich, still smoking that good shit. Still got the same hood click, straight up. We gon' show the world the definition of real. My brother, you gotta feel it. Little hustler. Boosie badass. We gon' show the world.
I'ma make it down. She ain't even look surprised at me. Another F off D. Happy you gotta see the world, baby, whatever you wanna be. Ain't nothing like a strong mind and some confidence. Whenever you step out of line, it's a consequence. We all overseas. We puffin' we'll make it bleed. Yes, indeed. 747, we in a 747. On the real, we gotta be a couple miles from heaven. The world try to pull us down, but we ain't let it. I would've did some of it different, but I don't regret it. That's one thing about me though, I never been a quitter. That Caesar's crazy, shout out to the hospital. Rest in peace, man, I'm gonna be on TV. Young Savage, Sweet Zone, Trill Family.
Straight up, cool, we gon' be on TV.
I'ma get on the TV, man.
Definition of real.
We gon' be on TV.
My brother,
shout out
you
to the
gotta
world.
feel it. Little hustler. We gon' show the world the definition of real. Man, you gotta feel it.
I would be lying if I said that it didn't bother me. You know, because I think I created like with the mistakes that I made in my life. You know, I created a picture of me that's just not me. You know, I did a lot of things when I was young that I'm not proud of, but I think, you know, those things helped me be the man that I am now.
When you come from nothing and turn it into a fortune, the people around you all want their portion. A couple Mercedes, a couple of Porsches. The bitches are shiesty, so a couple of abortions. Folks get slimy, they all like oysters. The media picking at you, they all like vultures. And you on a pedestal, you gotta stay focused. Every move you make, it represents your culture. You wanna be normal, but that life's over. Now you on TV, magazines and posters. You represent gangsters, you represent soldiers. And they can't stand you, why? Cause you not Oprah. And you got tattoos, your hair corn rolled up, and they like, oh my, and you like, so what? The world is cool, but one thing it showed us, whatever don't kill us only makes us more tough.
I came to this league, the talent that he gave me, people wanted me to be 35 years old right then. Like, this guy with all this talent, this guy who, you know, that has the effect on all of these people in the world like this, we want him to be this way. Well, I didn't want to be that. You know what I mean?
What did you want to be?
Me.
And who is you?
Human.
In search of fame, insanity's cost. You a household name, but all privacy lost. You make a mistake, they hang you up on a cross. All of a sudden, they forgot who you are. They forgot about all the times you hustled and fought. Please show me a king that's never suffered a loss, or show me a man that's never suffered a scar. And I'll show you a man that's never given his all, or show you a man that's never given his heart. If I'm becoming a monster, it's all y'all fault. You can't be a gentleman when you're swimming with sharks. Shit, when you can be Superman, who wanna be Clark Kent? Pour out my heart until I wind up heartless, trying to become a father without having a father. The hate when you rise and celebrate when you fall, but throughout it all, I just ball.
So we sitting here, I supposed to be the franchise player, and we're in here talking about practice. I mean, listen, we talking about practice. Not a game, not a game, not a game. We talking about practice. Not a game. Not the game that I go out there and die for and play every game like it's my last. Not the game. We're talking about practice, man. I mean, how silly is that? When we're talking about practice, I know I'm supposed to be there. I know I'm supposed to lead by example. I know that, and I'm not shoving it aside, you know, like it don't mean anything. I know it's important. I do. I honestly do. But we talking about practice, man. What are we talking about? Practice? We talking about practice, man. We talking about practice. We talking about practice.
I know you waited for this one.
Yellow! All my friends used to tell me to be patient. Same friends that was jealous when I made it. Good thing I was never in the way. Good thing that I never hesitated. I was running like I'm Harriet and I was trying to get away. Cause I'm from a city that ain't pretty, it's a shitty place. Shout out to my city, 937 till I drift away. Love it, but I hated it when they Polanski integrate. That was my biggest motivation, why they had to take them. Ain't wanna look inside that casket, but I had to face it. I seen a couple happy faces and got aggravated. Made me feel like it ain't safe if I go back to dating. But I'd never turn my back on the city. Put the city on my back and bring it back to the city. Back when I was broke, I was adding up pennies. You can ask Reese, we was going half on the Wendy's. That's why I don't get when they get mad and they envy. Like I ain't bust my ass for that bag that they give me. Hey, I don't even flash and they mad enough to kill me. Imagine when I pull up in that Jag or that Bentley. Hey, do you know the feeling knowing you a go? And don't nobody know that but you, they think you a joke. And all your homies get to leaving cause shit moving slow. Spent all your money on your dream, ain't got no shoes and clothes. Ain't got no food at home. And you gotta pay your rent, but you keep spending all your money. Every dollar taking risks. The little bro play ball and you ain't made it to no games. And you love him, but you know you ain't got time to make it fit. Yeah, that's my life. And I'm just thankful that I got life. And they wanna take it from me cause the highlights. Like I wasn't just broke before the spotlight. When dinner was ramen noodles and hot fries. Voila, look how the magic happened. And after all this work I put in, man, I had to have it. See, people always tell your story just to have reactions. If you could picture what I've been through, you wouldn't have a caption. You wouldn't be saying nothing. I couldn't buy that margarita that my lady wanted. Yeah, I was water broke, pushing like a baby coming. My puzzle pieces didn't fit, but I still made it something. If you knew